Hi, my name is Daniel Ajayi, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to connect your website to Cloudflare. So you begin by going to cloudflare.com. Okay, that URL is wrong. It's going to be cloudflare.com. Let me input the right thing. So once it loads, you click on login and you are going to land on the login page. So if this is your first time using Cloudflare, you need to use the sign up button. You click on register, and if not, if you are not a first time user, just click on login and you do the robot verification and then you log in again. So you don't need to create multiple accounts. If you are connecting different domains, just one account. You can use that same account to connect multiple domains. So once you are logged in, you are going to see the URLs, some of the URLs that I have connected. So I don't always need to create new accounts for each domain. I can use just one account. So to connect a new domain, all we need to do is to click on onboard a domain. So onboard a domain is what we are going to click on. And once you click onboard a domain, it's going to take some seconds to load. And right inside that box, we are going to paste the URL we want to connect. So here is my hosting account, and I have a URL I want to connect. Yes, that one, the thunderhorse.com. So I'm going to highlight and copy it, and I'm going to paste it inside this box, and I would ensure that that first option is ticked. That is quick scan. Then you scroll down and then you click on continue. So this also takes few seconds. Then you can also go for the free plan. The free plan is always the best. It has everything you need. So on the free plan, you just click on select plan, and it is going to bring you to this page where you review your DNS records. So all of these things are going to be here, but you need one particular function. You need to turn off one particular function, and that is this mail. Looking at this screen, you can see the mail, and then right beside the mail, you turn off that button. That button is going to make your mail bypass all the Cloudflare security features, which is very necessary so that you don't have issues with your website submitting mail. Then you click on continue to activation, and then you are going to land here. So from here, you can now see that you have new name servers that is different from what is on your website before, on your domain name server before. So you can connect multiple domains, and then you are going to be seeing these same new name servers. It does not mean that they are doing the same function. All you need to do is to copy the new name server, the aaron.ns and the well.ns. So you need to change this name server on your domain. You go back to where you got the domain. This is my own hosting. This is where I got my own domain. So I'm going to tap on domains, and then I am going to search for the domain that I am linking, which is thunderhorsehub.com. So it's loading. Yeah, that's that. I'm going to tick it, and then I'm going to click on edit and manage name servers. So once I tap on manage name servers, it's going to take me to where I have to import the new name server. So I'm going to copy this from Cloudflare, and I will paste it in name server 1. Then I'm also going to go back to Cloudflare. Then the second name server, well.nx, I'm going to also copy that and then paste it on the name server 2. And then I'm going to click on change name servers, and it is going to be changed immediately. And one of the things that Cloudflare does for us is that it increases the speed of our website. So once you've done that name server, you just scroll down and click on I updated my name server. So as I was saying, one of the things Cloudflare does is that it increases the speed of your website. 2, it allows your website loads in all locations in the world. So if your client is complaining that their website is not loading in Europe or is not coming up in Canada, all you need to do is to connect to Cloudflare. And lastly, it also allows privacy and security against attacks. So there are more reasons why you need to connect your website to Cloudflare. And if by chance your hosting company tells you that they have changed their IP address and they need all Cloudflare users to update their IP, all you need to do is to go back to your dashboard, and locate that domain. And right there, you just go to the right and click on the 3 dots, and from there, just right beside the domain I just added. Yes, I'm going to just go beside it, the 3 dots, and then I am going to tap on configure DNS. This is for if your hosting company says they have changed their IP address. Every hosting company has their own IP address. So if they tell you they have changed their own IP address and they need you to change it, that is for Cloudflare users. This is how you have to do it. It does not always have to be like this. Most times they don't change it. But when they tell you that it has been changed, you just need to click on that part, and then you can see the IP address is listed. That is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So to edit it, you just need to double tap, or you go right beside where we have edit, then you just tap on it, and then you input the new IP address in this box. And this is the same process you follow for all the 8 boxes where the IP address is appearing. So you change that and you click on save, and you keep on doing that for all the other parts. This does not always have to happen as mentioned. You only have to do this if your hosting company says that every user on Cloudflare needs to update their IP address. So this is how to also update your IP address on Cloudflare, and I'm sure you have gotten value from this video. Do well to hit subscribe and notification bell to get more videos like this. Thank you.